Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Paratni. I hope you're enjoying the activities we are sharing with you and trying them at your home. Please share your comments in the given comment section below and let us know if there is anything you would like for us to share with you, if there is any specific area that you would like for us to tackle. So, today I want to share with you a very brief mindfulness activity. It's called 54321. Mindfulness 54321. Now, to do this, I will tell you the benefits of this activity at the end of the video. So, to do this activity, first sit with your child and discuss what is mindfulness. Tell your child what is mindfulness. Tell him that just be very simple, keep it very simple. Tell your child that breathing in and out mindfully, noticing your breath, how the air is filling your stomach, feeling it go out. That is mindfulness. Keep it very simple. Now, for this activity, you have to do something that is very simple. Just take a piece of paper and write 54321 like this on it. Now, what does this 54321 stand for? The 5 stands for things that they can see, things that the child can see. The 4 stands for things that the child can touch. The 3 stands for the things that the child can hear. The 2 stands for the things that the child can smell, and the 1 stands for the things that the child can taste. Now, how are we going to do this? Once you've discussed with your child that what is mindfulness, do simple breathing exercises. Tell your child that mindfulness helps you stay calm and in control of your emotions, and do very brief 5 minutes breathing exercise with your child. Once you're done with that, we come to this 54321 exercise. Ask your child to spot 5 things in the room that they can see. Like, I can see this sketch pen, I can see my cupboard, I can see my phone, I can see the post-its, I can see this spray. Similarly, then you move to 4 things they can touch. Now, I can touch my phone, I can touch the paper, and then you move to things you can hear. I can hear the AC buzzing, I can hear my phone vibrating, I can hear my mom locking the door downstairs. Then you move to 2 things, that is 2 things you can smell. Now, I can smell these vitamins, I can smell this sketch pen which has a fruit flavor. Now, things you can taste. I have almonds that I can taste. So I have one thing that I can taste. So once you briefed the child with this exercise, once you've done it once, move to another room, because the first round would mostly be you explaining the child how it is to be done. So once you're done, move to another room and repeat the same exercise. Now, coming to why this particular exercise. It helps in managing tough emotions and seeing the current scenario. It is going to be very helpful. It is basically a grounding exercise. It helps us manage our emotions, stay calm, and mentally reset. It helps us have a mental reset and stay in control of our emotions. I hope you do try this exercise at home with your child, and please share your feedbacks. Thank you.